What's the biggest mistake that you see people making in romantic relationships?
There's this beautiful poem that I came across, and I've never been able to find it again. But it was this concept that when you're growing up, you're raised by your parents and your family, and you start constructing your house out of bricks. And the house you build independently has some holes in it, it has some broken bricks, and it has some perfect bricks. The bricks you got from your parents, some of them are broken. Some of them have loads of gaps in those walls. But you've been constructing a house. And that person that you end up deciding to spend your life with, they've got a similar home that they've been building. And when we end up meeting someone, we often want them subconsciously to come and live in our house.
Right.
So we want them to leave their broken home behind and come and live in our broken home, because we think the way we've been raised is right. Now, what we don't realize is that person also wants us to leave our house and go and live in their broken house. And what this poem was suggesting is actually what you need to do is pick up the best bricks that you laid at your home, and they pick the best bricks that were laid in their home, and you need to come and build a home together. And that's really what a relationship is about. It's about taking the best of what you had and find a way to construct a home together that becomes your new home.